Okay, so today we are starting our topic on metric conversions. All right, so our metric system is our system of measurements and conversions based off the unit of 10. So we're going to write this in here. So metric conversions are based off units of 10. All right, so to go over what our metric prefixes are, we're going to make a metric line. So using a straight edge, we're going to go ahead and make a line across like so. In the center, we're going to write the word base for our base units. Put parentheses around that. And our base units for our measurements are going to be the meter for distance, we use the lowercase symbol m. For mass, we're going to use grams. That's a lowercase g. And for volume, we're going to use liters. And the symbol for liters is a capital L. Now for our prefixes for the metric system, we're going to start off with K for kilo. It's going to be our largest unit. So capital letter K. This stands for kilo. We're going to use H for hecto. And DA for deca. Now on the other side of the base unit, we're going to use D, lowercase d for deci, C for centi, and a lowercase m for milli. Alright, so as we read this, when we talk about all our distances for meters, our largest distance would be a kilometer, we use km, a hectometer would be hm, and a decameter will be DAM. And again, the meters are base unit. And as we move to numbers, prefixes are smaller than the base unit, we use a dm for decimeter, and smaller than that is a centimeter, and our smallest unit is a millimeter. All right, and then as we transition into our prefixes for mass, we measure in grams. Our largest unit would be a kilogram, then a hectogram, then a decagram. Then we go on to the gram. Smaller than that would be a decigram, centigram, and then a milligram. And moving on to our unit for volume, we'll have our largest volume be a kiloliter, then a hectoliter, a decaliter, then obviously liter, our base unit, and a deciliter, centiliter, and a milliliter. So in our assignment below, we have some guided practice. We'll do the left side together. We're going to be actually converting from kilometers to meters. So we're going to be focusing here on the numbers on the left hand side as guided practice. So what we're going to do is we also have the steps here. So first thing we want to do, step 1, is count the hops between the units. Step 2, locate the decimal point in the number. 3, move the decimal point to the correct number of hops in direction, and then add our new label. So when we look at this first practice problem, we have 340.9 kilometers. We want to convert that to meters. So we're given kilometers, so km. That's where we want to start, right here. We want to move the decimal till we get to the base unit of a meter. So it means you have to move the decimal 1, 2, 3 spaces or 3 hops to the right. So we move the decimal 3 spaces to the right, 1, 2, 3. We fill in the empty spaces with zeros, and our new number becomes 340,900.0 meters. So 304.9 kilometers is equal to 340,900 meters. All right, next one. We're given 0.087 grams and need to convert to centigrams. So this is the unit we're starting off as grams, which is a base unit. So we're starting right here in a base, and we're going to move 2 spaces to the right to get to centigrams. So we're going to take our decimal, move it 1, 2 spaces to the right, and our new number will read as 008.7 centigrams. In our next problem, we're given 0.562 deciliters. So that's DL, which is right here. That's where we're starting at. And we're going to move to a deciliter. So we're starting at deciliter here, and we're going to move 1, 2 spaces to the left. So we'll take the decimal, move it 1, 2 spaces to the left, and empty spaces get 0. So our new number will be 0.00562 deciliters. Next practice problem. We have 45.989 milligrams, and we want to convert to centigrams. So we're looking for mg, which is right here on our metric line, and we want to move it 1 space to the left. So we're going to just take the decimal, move it 1 space to the left, and our new number is going to be 4.5989 centigrams. All right, 3 more problems to go. All right, next one. We're given 105.33 liters. So liters is a base unit, so we're starting here. And we're going to move 1 space to the right all the way to a deciliter. So we move liters to deciliters. So take our decimal, move it 1 place over to the right. So our new number should read 1053.3 deciliters. Next one. We're given 850.111 milliliters. So that's where we're going to start, and we're going to move all the way across to a kiloliter. So we're starting over here at milliliters, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the left. We're going to move the decimal. So we're going to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and empty spaces are going to get 0, so we'll rewrite the number as 0.00856.111 kiloliters. Last one for guided practice. We're given 17.5 milligrams. We're starting at mg here, and we're going to move all the way to a decagram, so DAG decagram. So we're starting, move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the left. So take our decimal, move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Empty spaces get zeros. Our new number will now read as 0.00175 decagrams. Right. The rest of the problems here on the right hand side will be ones for you to do on your own as independent practice.